Imagine living in a world where machines understand what you say, cars drive themselves, and your devices predict what you need before you even ask. It may sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it is the reality of today. This is the power of artificial intelligence, or simply AI. In this talk, we will explore what AI is, how it works, and why it plays an essential role in shaping our future. What is AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding speech, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from experience. Have you ever used Siri or Alexa, or received a shopping recommendation online? That's AI working behind the scenes. AI is no longer limited to research labs. It has become an integral part of our daily lives. How does AI work? So how does AI actually work? At its core, AI learns from data, just as humans learn from experience. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them many pictures of cats, and over time they can identify a cat, even if it looks different. Similarly, AI systems analyze large amounts of data to detect patterns and make predictions. This process is known as machine learning. There's also deep learning, which allows machines to perform complex tasks like understanding languages or recognizing faces. Why do we need AI? Why is there so much emphasis on AI? The answer lies in the solutions it provides to real-world problems. In healthcare, AI helps detect diseases early, improving patient outcomes. In agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crops, ensuring better productivity. Even in our homes, smart devices powered by AI help us save energy, stay connected, and improve our safety. AI not only enhances convenience, but also holds the potential to address global challenges like climate change and resource management. The future with AI. Looking ahead, the future with AI is both exciting and full of possibilities. Imagine personalized education, where every student learns at their own pace, or AI systems that assist the elderly in their daily activities. From smarter transportation to cleaner energy solutions, AI is set to revolutionize industries worldwide. However, we must also remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and fair usage of AI technologies are vital to ensure that no one is left behind. Conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not just a technological advancement, it's a tool that has the power to transform our lives for the better. But technology is only as good as how we choose to use it. By understanding AI, embracing its benefits, and being mindful of its challenges, we can shape a future that is smarter, safer, and more inclusive for all. The future is already here. The question is, how will you be a part of this AI revolution?